Hello, traveler. My name is Nix. I'm calling to assist you with the installation of the Monolith. Start by identifying the ideal campsite. You will find the necessary items in your inventory. One, the Monolith shelter to protect you from the elements. 2, the carbon frame for bed tension. 3, the infinite straps for lifting and stabilizing the Monolith. 4, the hand pump to inflate the airframe. The total weight is 4,500 grams, and it all benefits to a unique experience and optimal comfort for the user. Step 1, unpack and set up the tent. To inflate the airframe, locate the 2 valves and close the first level of the cap to lock the air in. Select the pump and insert the hose directly into the larger valve. Hold it with your hand and hold the pump with your foot. Estimated inflation time, 15 seconds. Note that the Monolith can be used on the ground with pegs and guys lines if required, especially in strong winds. Pump a few more times until you reach a pressure of about 0.5 bar, equivalent to 8 psi. Lock the second level of the cap. Do a sound check. The airframe is sturdy and the pressure will remain intact for several days. Step 2. Now use the infinite straps to lift the tent. Attach 2 webbings to the supporting elements here to the trees. But you can also use a vehicle or other heavy-duty object. Find the cross that indicates the center of the webbing. Tie a knot about 1.8 meter above the ground. Repeat the same operation on the other side. Caution: never use the Monolith only with the top straps. Now with the 2 remaining webbing, tie the same knot at the foot of the trees. The purpose of this strap is to triangulate the suspension in order to stabilize the Monolith. Step 3. Select the carbon frame. This accessory provides a flat and taut bed sheet for optimum comfort. Please note that the Monolith is designed for 1 person only and must be loaded with a maximum of 100 kilograms. Deploy the carbon pipes. Insert them into the hems of the tent. It is important to remember that the 2 bars are not the same size when deployed, so be sure to insert them in the corresponding hem length. Step 4. Now select the quick draws of the infinite straps and clip the 4 carabiners to the 4 carbon frame end caps. These connectors are used to link the tent and adjust the installation. Pay close attention to the direction of the quick draw. A well-attached Monolith is a secure camp. Feed each upper cambuckle with the corresponding webbing. The Monolith is now ready for takeoff. Raise the tent 20 centimeters upper to the desired height. Step back to check that the Monolith is horizontal and level. Correctly retension the hems on the carbon frame if necessary. Feed each lower cambuckle with the corresponding webbing. Check carefully the position of the straps and carabiners. Incorrect installation can cause serious injury. So step 5, double check your 4 key points before entering the Monolith. Excellent. You can now exert firm tension on the straps. For a clean camp, use the plastic ties supplied to hold the straps or tie a simple knot to hold it. Check strap tension. Check the bed sheet. It must be flat and well tensioned. Now look at the pocket under the bed. It provides not only storage space, but also excellent thermal insulation for your back. Your belongings will also be accessible from the inside. Try it out with your backpack. Cool, isn't it? You can now safely enter the Monolith. The weight of your body is distributed flatly over the entire bed sheet, which gives you the feel of floating. You also have a lovely open view of your surroundings. The weather is getting cloudy. Please add the fly sheet for extra protection. Place the fly sheet on the airframe. Connect the 4 T-bars to the 4 D-rings at the 4 top corners of the airframe. Then connect the 8 Z-buckles. Do not forget to open the upper ventilation. The Monolith is now 100% installed. You've successfully completed your first installation in just 8 minutes. I'll now invite you to prepare your bed. In low light conditions, you can use the G-hook for hanging a light from the roof. I'm sure you'll enjoy your stay. Pockets are also available in the inner tent. There are 27 minutes of daylight left. I suggest you settle in for the night. Make yourself comfortable and lie down. All doors can be closed from the inside. I'll let you relax now and see you tomorrow. Good morning, traveler. Another beautiful day. Get ready to pack your belongings and prepare for extraction. To unlock the straps of the Monolith, you can use the excess of webbing for support. It will be easier to press. Release all other straps. I'll give you one tip for storing straps. Press the end of the strap with your thumb and make a figure of 8 passing through your little finger. Looks like you've done this before. A simple loop to finish. The Monolith is ready to land. Now pack up quick draws. Store them in a sack first to ease future installation. Then store the webbing. Now pack the carbon frame. Place the longest bar facing its logo to make the next use easier. You can close all the doors and pack with the fly sheet to make the next installation faster. Open the first level of the 2 valves to remove air. Fold in half towards the center, then in half again. Clean up if necessary and roll it up. Insert it into the pack sack and use it to compress. Arrange your backpack. You completed the packing in 4 minutes. The Monolith can be used for hiking, but was originally designed for motorized excursions. Make sure the campsite is clean before you leave. Tutorial completed. Back to main menu. See you soon for a new training session, traveler.